season of reporting for banks, and the big guns in the industry this time seem to have colluded to release their half-year results on the same day. First, KCB has announced a net profit of 12.1 billion shillings on the back of a 17.5% growth in earnings compared to a similar period last year. Equity Bank saw its net earnings rise to 11 billion shillings, up also by 17.5%, but ceding the position of the most profitable bank that it held after the first quarter results to its rival KCB. Next, Co-operative Bank's after-tax profit for the 6-month period have gone up by 7.8% to 7.1 billion shillings. Given the interest rate cap, the banks have switched strategy, investing in government paper instead, to the detriment of credit to the private sector.